So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're going through and having this problem that says no SIM available. Now, when you're getting this type of prompt, there's a lot of things to kind of keep in mind when you're going through and when you're seeing this prompt kind of come up. Now, the first thing I'd recommend to do is to go through and restart your phone. So go through, take your iPhone, hold down the buttons you normally would to restart it, slide the power off, and you want to go ahead and basically wait out your particular device. So go through, basically restart your phone, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem for you, because it's a very easy way of kind of fixing this issue. Now, if you do that and that's not working, another thing you might want to try doing is to go through and basically update your carrier settings. So what you can do here is you can make your way over into your iPhone settings application, just like this. You want to go into your general settings, which is right here. So click into general. You want to click on about, which is right here. And all you're going to want to do is see if there's an update prompt that basically comes up. So go right into here, see if there's a prompt that basically comes up for updating your cellular, connection or cell data. And if there is, you might just want to go and make sure that you can just insert that and update your phone. And that's another thing I recommend doing there too. Now, another thing you might want to try doing if that doesn't work is to try reinserting your SIM card. So if you have a SIM card installed, take it out, reinsert it. Or if you have an eSIM, remove the eSIM, put in that eSIM back, or you can also just turn on airplane mode. And if none of those things end up working, you can also try updating your iPhone. So come right back into your general settings right here. So your settings, click on your general app right here. Click on software update, which is right here. And you want to go and click on your update now button. And that's going to update your iPhone. And that's another way that you can fix this problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solin.